HydroShield for tile and porcelain is a game-changing science. Our innovative proprietary surface protection transforms tile, sinks, and toilets into stain-resistant, low-maintenance surfaces. By protecting the glossy finish and eliminating the need to use toxic, acidic, and abrasive cleaners, HydroShield not only keeps your tile and porcelain looking new, but creates a home that's more eco-friendly. Both tile and porcelain have an ultra-thin glass coating at their surface. It is this glass finish that gives these surfaces their glossy shine. At the microscopic level, both tile and porcelain have microscopic pores or peaks and valleys. Minerals from hard water, soap scum, and other contaminants settle into these pores, requiring aggressive cleaners to effectively clean the surface. The problem is that these acidic and abrasive cleaners wear away and degrade the glossy, glass finish, leaving an irreparable dull surface that has lost its luster. Realizing that traditional penetrating sealers are ineffective on tile and porcelain, HydroShield created a proprietary surface protection that creates a covalent bond at the surface-to-air interface, completely filling in and eliminating the microscopic pores. The result is a high-performance, invisible coating that makes tile and porcelain surfaces easier to clean and less susceptible to staining and damage, while also maintaining their showroom shine. HydroShield for tile and porcelain, the future of surface protection.